What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Kayla Lashae. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys are coming back, welcome back. So today we're gonna be in the kitchen, and I don't know how many snacks I'm gonna show you guys in this video, but what I will say is all of these snacks are perfect if you're trying to watch your calorie intake. Maybe you're trying to lose some weight, or maybe you're like me and you are on this weight gain journey, and maybe you have a meal or two that is really high in calorie, but you want to eat something within your calorie goal. Then it's good to kind of have snacks like this that are a little bit lower but still healthy when it comes to calories. So all of these snacks are snacks that I make every day, sometimes a couple times out of the day, and they're super easy to make. They don't take a lot of effort, not a lot of cooking. I don't think there's any cooking actually involved in this video, but if you have sweet tooth, salty tooth, savory tooth, or you like to mix the flavors together, then these snacks are gonna be perfect for you. So let's go to the kitchen and I'm gonna show you guys my healthy snacks, around 300 calories, just so you could see what a healthy option looks like within that sort of calorie bracket. And of course, if you're trying to gain weight, you know, you can up the amount of your serving. And if you're trying to lose weight, then just enjoy it as it is. So let's get into it. I'm about to make myself a healthy snack. And I'm doing almond butter. I'm watching Scream Queen, so I need something to preoccupy my belly. Okay, so I've got an envy apple chopped up. And I'm gonna measure out my nut butter, 32 grams. I'm gonna sprinkle a little cinnamon on my apples.
The best part is how they supposedly covered it up.
So this snack right here is just under 250 for calories, and obviously most of the calories are in the nut butter, which is why I recommend weighing it out, because it's so easy to get 500 calories just in this. And I love my apples chilled, so I keep them in the fridge, and I love having them with some cinnamon on top. It's like the best little sweet treat in the middle of the day. And if you like savory and salty with sweet, this is definitely going to be a snack for you guys. And sometimes this is too sweet for me, and I just think that's because my taste buds have changed over my fitness journey. Boom. So here we go. We have our next meal option, which this is really good. Keep in mind, if you are watching your calories, all of it is going to basically come from your mayo. Because of the fat source, it is about 100 calories for 1 tablespoon, which is what I used. Not gonna lie, my tuna looks a little dry, but that's why I like relish. It adds another sort of element to stick it all together. And I have to say, Trader Joe's has some really good tuna. It tastes so real, and it's really big chunks of it, as you guys saw when I was mixing it up. And then I have my naan crackers. I've already eaten one, it's so good. And I love these. They are new to Trader Joe's, and I mentioned this already in my haul. The nutrition label is not correct. It's actually 10 crackers is equivalent to 1 serving, which is 29 grams. So make sure that you weigh your food if you care to track it properly. But this is a really great snack, high protein, 31 grams for about 350 calories. So I'm gonna eat this, and I'll see you guys back with my next option. Okay, so my next snack option that I'll do is one of these like bars. I don't eat all of them, obviously. I'll pick one over the other. Depends on what I'm kind of craving. But I love the chocolate chunk with sea salt. It tastes like cookie dough if you close your eyes and squint. It's really freaking good. And these are about 250 calories and I love them. They also do like a chocolate almond with sea salt. This one's really good. And I also really love these Nature's Bakery fig bars. They have a different variety of flavors. This one's original, and then we have raspberry. These are 200 calories. These are really good because it's a great carb source for me, and I get some nice sugar before a workout or post-hike or something. And I don't mind having a bar because I eat pretty healthy the rest of the day, so it fits when I plug it in. So with one of those, I'll opt to have a beverage like one of these little healthy sodas from Trader Joe's. You can find things like this anywhere. Target does like sparkling beverages, but these taste really good. It's a rhubarb and strawberry soda, and it's only 60 calories for this. And again, if you like fizzy drinks, this is awesome. Or I'll go for something like a kombucha, which is really good for your gut health, healthy probiotics. It's gonna help with your digestion, and you can get kombucha anywhere. My personal fave and my go-to is the Health Aid Tropical Punch, and one of these is 80 calories for the full thing. So about 300 or so calories with your bar, and it's perfect for on the go, quick snacks. You don't have to cook anything or prep anything. So that's why I really love this option. 12 grams of protein, and it's nice and savory. I love mixing in sweet snacks throughout the day, but I also enjoy savory, saltier foods like this one. Let these kind of sit in this bowl. You want to let them cool off. They're still very warm, so sometimes if I really want to eat them now, I will put them in some ice water before I crack them. And the ones that I'm not going to use right now, I'll just leave in the shells. Still a little hot. I feel like I'm really bad at cracking eggs, but it should come off pretty nice. She's hot. Make your eggs however you like them. This was 15 minutes. And I'm just gonna be super simple with it and add some pink salt, some black pepper. And I like a lot of pepper. And I'm gonna serve this with some ice cold lemon water, just because hydration is super important when we are on this healthy lifestyle, and I love to just drink water all day every day, and lemons are full of vitamin C. It gives you a nice natural boost of energy. It's also great for detoxifying the body as well as kickstarting your metabolism. So I'm gonna get some of these seeds out and then pop it in my little press. And I like to do the whole lemon because I just love the taste of it. And I noticed that I have clear skin as well, so the more the merrier. And that's my next snack option. Super low calorie, about 140 for 2 eggs, and water is 0. So love to see it. I'll see you guys at the next snack. So this is my next snack option. This is my own little trail mix. I do have a lot of nut allergies, so I never really like to buy the pre-made version. So for this measurement of everything that I included, it's about 302 calories. And then for the protein, we have about 9 grams of protein, lots of healthy fats in here. So for this, I did a mix of golden raisins. And the cool thing about this is you could use whatever you like, whatever dried fruits that you like. I like to get my stuff from Trader Joe's. I find that they have the best variety at a really good price. I also threw in some of these new organic dark chocolate covered whole cocoa beans, and if you like dark chocolate, you will love these. They're very rich in flavor, but they're crunchy and they're light. This is what they look like actually. Ooh, I only put a few because they're super rich, but if you have a chocolate craving, you will love those. For my almonds, I used the 50% less salted. I just weighed out a serving of those, and then I sprinkled in some of these little pretzel thins, which you can eat a lot of these for the calories, but I like the saltiness and the crunch that this adds to my trail mix. And this is definitely going to be good for a midday snack if you need some healthy fats, you need a little bit of energy. And I find that when I eat this, first of all, I get full so fast, and it satisfies all of my cravings, you know, my chocolate tooth, my sweet tooth, my salty tooth, my crunchy tooth. So it's really perfect, and it can be personalized to do at home. So we love this. I'm gonna enjoy a cup of tea alongside my trail mix. So I don't really know what vibe I'm in right now. I think I kind of want to go towards, I don't know. Either way, it's gonna be something caffeine free. Let's go for this prickly pear cacti from Tazo. Drop a comment down below with your favorite tea. I'm definitely becoming a tea person, a tea connoisseur. I love tea time, so I like to try different variations, and when it is kind of later in the day, I definitely reach for something that is caffeine free, and you can drink so much herbal tea and it's not going to cost you any calories. So if you like to drink a lot of water and you kind of just want to have a different taste, tea is definitely going to be something that I would recommend for you guys. And you just have to be careful with, you know, the sugar and stuff. I personally don't like to sweeten my teas, so I'm just going to do 1 tea bag of this, and I actually don't think I've tried it out, so I'll be able to tell you guys if I like it. This smells so amazing. I don't know, I've never had a tea smell this fragrant, so I'm gonna let it steep a little bit. Again, it's the prickly pear. Love a little tea time. It's a crunchy little bean. It's a little bit bitter, but if you're used to dark chocolate, you'll love it. That's it, you guys. Like, so simple, right? So delicious. So many good options out there, and you don't have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen preparing these. Now, I know for me, I eat 5 to 6 times out of the day, so when I call these snacks, they're like meals, mini meals for me. They are a good source of healthy fats. You know, you get your carbs, you get your protein in there. So for me, it's definitely considered a meal, but if you don't track your calories or anything, then I could definitely see these as being straight up snacks for, you know, you throughout the day. And you could prep them in the morning, take them with you to work, or prepare them when you're ready, post-workout, pre-workout, whatever. And that's about it. That's all I have to say. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up. It lets me know that you like content like this, and I should come back and do maybe a part 2 so that you guys can have more options, or maybe I can come and do one for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, like healthy meals under a certain amount of calories. So definitely come back to the YouTube channel. I'm always posting healthy videos like this, sharing what I eat in the days, grocery hauls, meal prep videos, and of course a ton of fitness related content. So I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!